In 2024, this young man was working a regular part-time job and struggling to pay his bills. Fast forward to 2026, and he's built an affiliate marketing business generating over $50,000 per month. The craziest part? He doesn't own a product. He doesn't manage inventory. He doesn't handle customer support. So how did he do it? Today, we're breaking down the exact story behind his success. Part 1. Starting from zero. Meet Jack, a 24-year-old from Texas. Like many people, Jack dreamed of making money online. Every day he saw stories of people building online businesses from their laptops. At first, he tried dropshipping. He spent money on ads. The result? He lost most of his investment. Then he tried freelancing. He landed a few small projects but couldn't create a reliable income. One evening, while watching YouTube, he discovered affiliate marketing. A simple sentence caught his attention. You don't need your own product. You just need to help people find solutions. That one sentence changed everything. Jack decided to spend the next 6 months learning the business. Part 2. The first 6 months were difficult. Jack launched a small blog focused on AI tools and productivity software. During his first month, he published article after article. He reviewed software. He compared tools. He wrote beginner guides. But almost nobody visited his website. No traffic, no clicks, no commissions. Many beginners would have quit at this stage. But Jack kept learning. He studied SEO. He learned keyword research. He started understanding what people were actually searching for online. Instead of creating random content, he focused on solving specific problems. Slowly, things began to change. Google started sending visitors to his website. Then, something exciting happened. His first affiliate commission arrived. It was only $17. For many people, that amount might seem small, but for Jack, it was proof that the system worked. The next month, he earned $89, then $275, then $790. The numbers weren't huge yet, but they were growing every month. Part 3. The breakthrough moment. One day, one of Jack's AI software reviews started ranking on Google. Traffic exploded. Thousands of visitors were reading his content every week. The AI industry was growing rapidly, and people were searching for recommendations. Jack doubled down. He created more in-depth reviews, more tutorials, more comparisons. Then he launched a YouTube channel. Instead of simply promoting products, he showed real demonstrations. People trusted him because they could see the tools in action. His audience began growing faster. At the same time, he built an email list. Whenever a new software tool launched, he shared valuable insights with subscribers. As a result, affiliate sales increased significantly. After about a year, his blog, YouTube channel, and email list were all working together. What started as a side hustle had become a real online business. Part 4. The real secret behind $50,000 plus months. Many people think success like this comes from luck. But Jack credits 3 things. 1. Consistency. He created content even when nobody was watching. He continued publishing articles and videos week after week. 2. Providing value first. He never focused only on selling. His goal was helping people make better decisions. The affiliate commissions came naturally afterward. 3. Multiple traffic sources. He didn't rely on one platform. He built traffic through Google Search, YouTube, email marketing, social media. This made his business stronger and more stable. Part 5. What can beginners learn? If you're interested in affiliate marketing, don't focus on big income numbers first. Focus on solving problems. Ask yourself, what information are people searching for? What tools can help them? What products can save them time or money? When you consistently answer those questions, you build trust. And trust is what drives affiliate sales. Success doesn't happen overnight. But every article, video, and email you create becomes an asset that can continue generating traffic for years. Ending. Jack's story proves that affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business model built on trust, value, and consistency. You may not see results tomorrow. You may not see results next month. But if you keep learning, creating, and helping people solve problems, your content can eventually start working for you around the clock. And that's how many successful affiliate marketers build long-term online income. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more online income success stories. Imagine having only a few $100s in your bank account, struggling to pay bills every month and wondering if life will ever change. Now imagine that just 2 years later, you're running an online business generating over $50,000 per month. The craziest part? You don't own a product. You don't manage inventory. You don't even have a large team. This is the story of how one ordinary beginner used affiliate marketing to completely transform his life. Part 1. A normal life going nowhere. In early 2024, 24-year-old Jack lived in a small town in Texas. He worked at a local electronics store. Every morning he woke up before sunrise, drove to work, spent the entire day helping customers, and returned home exhausted. His paycheck covered rent, groceries, and basic bills. Nothing more. At the end of every month, his bank account looked almost the same. One night, while reviewing his finances, he realized something that scared him. If he continued living exactly the same way, his life would probably look identical 10 years later. That thought kept him awake. He knew something had to change. Part 2. The search for an opportunity. Jack started spending his evenings researching ways to make money online. He watched hundreds of YouTube videos. He read blog posts. He listened to podcasts. Everyone seemed to be talking about online businesses. First, he tried dropshipping. He spent money on ads. The store barely generated sales. Most of the money was lost. Then he tried cryptocurrency trading. He made a little profit, then lost even more. Next, he explored freelancing. But finding clients was difficult, and the income wasn't consistent. After months of trying different things, frustration started to build. Nothing seemed to work. Part 3. One video changed everything. One evening, while scrolling through YouTube, Jack clicked on a video called "How Affiliate Marketing Changed My Life." The creator explained a simple concept: help people find solutions. When they buy through your recommendation, you earn a commission. That idea immediately caught Jack's attention. For the first time, he discovered a business model where he didn't need to create products. He didn't need inventory. He didn't need customer support. His job would simply be helping people make informed decisions. That night, he stayed up until 2 a.m. learning everything he could about affiliate marketing.